Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate A/B testing with Optimizely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating A/B testing with Optimizely, first, sign up for an Optimizely account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Experiment button to begin a new A/B test. Choose the type of experiment you want to run, either A/B test or multivariate test. Next, enter a name for your experiment to keep track of it easily. Select the URL of the page you want to test. Optimizely will then load the page in its visual editor. Use the visual editor to make the changes you want to test, such as altering text, images, or button colors. Once you finish making changes, click on the Save button. After saving, set the percentage of traffic you want to direct to the variation. Next, define the goals of your test, such as clicks, conversions, or any other key performance indicators. Optimizely allows you to set up audience targeting if you want to segment your visitors. Once your goals are set, click on Start Experiment to launch your A/B test. To automate the testing, go to the Settings tab of your experiment. Enable the Automatic Winner option to allow Optimizely to analyze data and declare a winner automatically. Set the criteria for determining the winning variation, including statistical significance thresholds. Review your experiment settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Finally, click on Start Experiment to begin your automated A/B test. Monitor your experiment's progress through the Optimizely dashboard. Once a winner is declared, you can easily implement the winning variation on your site. Congratulations, you've successfully set up an automated A/B testing with Optimizely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.